Okay, I'm removing the lights now.
Their best bet is to make it simply harder for certain groups to vote. Let's look at whom the GOP brain trusters most like to see not showing up on election day. Older people who live in big cities, especially minorities.
Okay,
People
you
who
gotta do that one a little bit different here.
college, people who tend to vote for Democratic candidates. Making it harder for these people to vote is daylight robbery by the people in state capitals, relentless in finding ways to better their chances in the next election. What's staggering here is the failure by Democrats and others not to blow the whistle on these shenanigans, which is exactly what they are. And that's hardball for now. Thanks for being with us. All In with Chris Hayes starts right now. Tonight on All In.
It's a legitimate rape. The female body has ways to try to shut that whole thing down.
The 2016 Republican field has its first...
Trying to see where the other one is here.
Tonight, why Democrats are pouncing on Scott Walker. Then, the call for a special prosecutor to investigate Jeb Bush's not-quite-a-campaign campaign. A new Democrat joins the field, and we have the first interview. New details on an alleged terror attack thwarted in Boston. And the conservative hype over a new national crime wave.
Horrifying numbers out this week from some of America's biggest cities.
Debunking the so-called Baltimore effect. When All In starts right now.
Yeah, it's not warm enough.
Good evening from New York. I'm Chris Hayes.
And you see, we just removed that one. I'm thinking my only issue is just going to be to put them back.
Presidential candidate Scott Walker announced he intends to sign a 20-week abortion ban, now moving through the state legislature, even if that bill makes no exceptions for pregnancies resulting from rape or incest.
I mean, I think to most people who are concerned about
Alright, and that's my green lights.
most concerned about it. In this case, again, it's an unborn wife, it's an unborn child, and that's why we feel so good about it.
In order to get my green lights
Walker did not say how he knows, and most women who
properly mounted,
are mostly only concerned
what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ones I have here and use them.
Wisconsin law that requires women seeking an abortion to
You know what I mean?
a mandatory ultrasound. That's not what they consent to. It's required by law by saying, oh no, ultrasounds are cool.
Yeah. How do we test to make sure that we're hooking it up the right way? Well, we plug in a battery.
And how excited they are. So that's a lovely thing. I think about my sons are 19 and 20, and we still have that first ultrasound.
We got to do this anyway, just to make sure
2016, Republican Party already had
everything is hooked up correctly.
the gender gap in 2012 was the largest in the history of the Gallup poll.
Yeah, all motors sound like they're running to me. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to find out what color is what color.
For example, sponsored a program showing female candidates and two Republican congressmen without being offensive. This time around, the Democrats are likely to end up with a nominee who performs pretty well among female voters. While Republicans have a deep bench of over
green.
presidential candidates, only one of them is a woman, Carly Fiorina, currently polling at 1.2%.
Make sure we're not catching that, and
Last time we showed you this
while there's a circuit going, we cut it off.
Senate since 1917, divided by party.
That way we know there's no circuit going.
At which point the number of Democratic women shoots up, and Republicans fall way, way behind. When I talked yesterday with Senator Barbara Boxer, one of 14 Democratic women now in the Senate, I asked her what she made of that chart.
I think what we've seen happen to the Republican Party over time is they've changed dramatically. They used to be for the Equal Rights Amendment. They used to be for equal pay for equal work. They used to be pro-choice. I remember when I was involved early on in my career, probably before you were born, in Planned Parenthood and these other groups, Republicans were leading the way. And they've changed dramatically. Now we have a party that really does not reflect the dreams, hopes, aspirations of our daughters.
As the senator points out, this is
Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist it first.
embraced by Republican politicians, like the
Then I'm going to solder them together.
Scott Walker says he'll sign
So that way I make sure I get a nice good connection
allow the father to
in between the two.
stress if he disagrees with a woman's decision
Right.
to terminate her pregnancy,
Twisting them together.
of whether the man in question is in a relationship with the woman. Joining me now, Senator Tammy Baldwin, Democrat from Wisconsin. Senator, your reaction to the governor of your state's comments today about how a woman feels about her pregnancy that results from rape.
Well, this is Scott Walker's Todd Aiken moment. I could not believe that
got it back on.
Governor, in a few short words, showed how deeply out of touch he is with the women of Wisconsin and the women of this country. And frankly, his policies with regard to women's reproductive health are actually dangerous.
If I were to play devil's advocate on behalf of the governor, the two comments that he's gotten some heat for, today's comment and the earlier one about ultrasound,
that it was hooked up
he
wrong.
was taken out of context, or he was talking about issues that are emotionally loaded and fraught, and it wasn't a full speech on them. I mean, what's your response to these are just words you're attacking defense?
Governor Walker, even when I served with him in the state legislature, did not believe that there should be any exception for rape, for incest, for health or life of the mother with regard to abortion. And he hasn't changed over these years. I think that he really is out of touch with the reality of women across Wisconsin, especially those who have suffered the horror of rape or incest. And I think he is part of what seems to be a larger strategy to try to pass laws that curtail women's reproductive freedom and rights, that try to peel back the Roe versus Wade decision, which is
You get one on and the other one comes off. Separate a little bit more.
Managed to win election in your state 3 times in 4 years.
The issues that voters focus most on in these
Like I said, this is Sky Pirate Wi-Fi 2.0. Just got returned from being in the tree for a week and a half. Through rain, wind, BB guns, bow and arrows.
Who know what Scott Walker believes, that his policies.
We are trying to get it back in the air.
I think that would have an impact.
And that's that.
But unfortunately, they haven't gotten as much attention, I think, in his gubernatorial elections as they really needed to be. And we're paying for that.
Okay. It was my antenna causing it to come on like that.
Just like we're seeing in other states across
All right.
the country.